Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Amni Nur Aqilah binti Rozwardi from S1G2. Now, I would like to explain the introduction part where I will share about the company background, network requirements and the objective of this project. 1.1 Company background. This project is developed for a mid-sized company operating across three main departments: human resource, finance and information technology. The company requires a reliable and scalable network infrastructure to support daily operations, data sharing, communication, and secure access to internal services such as file sharing, web hosting, email, and printing. The company also places a high emphasis on centralized data management and system security. 1.2 Network requirements. The company's network must fulfill several key requirements. First, reliable and stable connectivity for all departments with minimal downtime. Second, segregation of departments through logical subnetting to improve management and security. Third, centralized server room that hosts essential services such as DHCP, DNS, webmail, file, and print servers. Fourth, scalability allowing for future expansion in terms of devices and departments. Fifth, wireless access via access point for mobile devices. Sixth, strong security measures including the implementation of a firewall and secure network structure. 7. Efficient traffic management through appropriate network design. Lastly, centralized monitoring and configuration through a dedicated configuration PC. 1.3 Project objective. First, to design and implement a reliable and scalable local area network using hybrid topology. Second, to provide centralized service through a well-structured server room. Third, to enhance network security using firewalls and proper segmentation. Fourth, to ensure both wired and wireless access for users across all departments. Lastly, to apply IP addressing and subnetting for efficient traffic management and network organization. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Azyan Adiba binti Zaidi daripada S21 dan saya akan cakap pasal network topology. Okey, macam yang kita boleh lihat, ini merupakan pelan lantai floor plan yang terdiri daripada 3 department which is IT, HR and finance. Kita ada satu server room yang locate near the IT department. This floor plan also have meeting rooms. Okay, ini adalah kita punya physical topology. For the cabling layout, kita adopt a centralized server room design. Ini untuk pastikan semua department mempunyai same equal length of the cable, meningkatkan prestasi dan juga memudahkan penyelenggaraan pada masa depan lah. Jadi kita nampak dekat sini kita ada satu kabel kuning yang functioning as our backbone, yang mana dia hubungkan router ke main switch dan seterusnya ke every of the department switch. Ke sini ada warna purple yang mana dia daripada dia connect from the finance punya switch ke dia punya end device. Kita ada warna merah daripada HR punya switch ke dia punya end device which is printer and PCs, and kita ada satu warna pink untuk IT department daripada IT department punya switch ke dia punya end device. Okay, ini pula logical topology kita. Kita ada firewall yang connect the networks to the internet. Kita ada router dan switch yang distribute traffic. Setiap department pula ada dia punya subnet dan switch for segmentation. Kita ada server yang handle specific task. Kita ada DNS, mail, file sharing and DHCP. Which is DHCP tu kita manage dynamic IP assignment for the wireless device.
In this network design, we choose the private classic IP address range 192.168.10/24 as our base. We use CIDR subnetting, which is we divided this address into smaller subnet for each department, and also we taking count for their current devices for future use, and also each department has assigned to their own VLAN to ensure the logical separation, better management, and also to enhance security. This approach, I think, is also avoid IP overlap and also improve the efficiency of IP usage. So let me briefly explain the subnetting for each department. First, for HR department, has 7 PCs and also 1 printer, totaling in 8 devices. So we allocate a /28 subnet which provides 16 IP addresses, where I think it is more enough for the current devices and up to 8 more future use. The subnet range for this HR department is 192.168.10.0 until .15. Next, for finance department has 6 PC and 1 printer, or totaling in 7 devices, which we similarly use the /28 subnet, giving 16 IP addresses with their range starting from 192.168.10.16 until .31. Next, the IT department is the largest with 12 PCs and 1 printer. So to accommodate their needs and growth, we allocated a /27 subnet which provide 32 IP addresses. So their range is from .32 until .63. Next, for the wireless devices, which include laptop and phone, we allocated a /30 subnet. This give 4 IP addresses, which I think is just right for the current and a few future wireless devices. So their range is from .64 until .67. Lastly, for the server VLAN, host and all core services, we give them a /28 subnet, which is from .80 to .95 to ensure there's room for servers like DHCP, DNS, web, file, and more. In summary, this subnetting strategy ensures that each department get a dedicated IP range. IP address are logically organized and efficiently utilized. There is reserved space for future expansion, and also network traffic remains segmented and secure via VLANs. I think this structure addressing not only keeps the network scalable but also simplifies troubleshooting and maintenance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Aliya Natasya binti Abu Azhaari. Saya akan menerangkan VLAN configuration dalam rangkaian syarikat. VLAN digunakan untuk memisahkan rangkaian mengikut jabatan. Dalam projek kami punya VLAN untuk HR, finance, IT, wireless and server. Switch 1 ialah switch utama. Untuk kita buat trunking untuk VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40 dan VLAN 50. VLAN 10 untuk HR, VLAN 20 untuk finance, VLAN 30 untuk IT, VLAN 40 untuk wireless and VLAN 50 untuk server. Wireless ialah VLAN 40 yang disambung dengan switch 1 dan mempunyai 2 peranti, iaitu laptop dan smartphone. Server ialah VLAN 50 yang disambung dengan switch 1 dan mempunyai 6 device, iaitu printer server, web server, file server, mail server, DHCP server dan DNS server. Untuk switch HR, kita ada 1 printer dan 7 PC yang kena dengan switch HR. Setiap peranti ini di-set up dengan default gateway mengikut VLAN masing-masing, iaitu VLAN 10 untuk switch HR, untuk department HR. Untuk department finance, kita ada switch untuk finance. Kita punya device iaitu printer dan 6 PC. Printer-printer ini akan disambungkan dekat switch finance dengan mengikut VLAN yang ditetapkan, iaitu 20, VLAN 20 untuk department finance. Bagi department IT, mempunyai switch untuk IT dan mempunyai peranti 1 printer dan 12 PC. Kesemua printer ini disambung dekat switch IT dengan mengikut VLAN yang ditetapkan, iaitu VLAN 30. Seterusnya, ini ialah intern VLAN routing. Saya pinkan PC1 ke PC14. PC1 ialah PC1 daripada Department HR dan PC14 daripada Department IT. Dan di sini dia boleh, dan keputusannya dia menunjukkan PC1 boleh print PC14 kerana request dia menjawab, reply form dia menjadi. Itu sahaja daripada saya. Sekian, terima kasih.
Hi, my name is Nurul Izzati Umaira binti Mohd. I will explain about simulation and testing. In this part, we test our network using Cisco Packet Tracer to make sure everything works correctly. This is our simulation setup. We finish all the settings like IP address, VLANs and connection. Then we use the ping command to test if the device can talk to each other. We test device inside the same department, PC1 to PC2 in the HR department, PC13 to the printer in finance, PC19 to PC25 in IT. All tests were successful. This means device in the same department can communicate without any problems. Device from different departments like PC1 HR to PC20 IT, PC13 finance to file server, PC23 IT to web server. This test also work, showing that our router settings are correct and allow communication between VLANs. We test wireless connection too. A laptop could reach the DNS server. A phone connected to PC2 in HR. The phone also opened the website on the web server. This shows our access point and wireless setup are working well. We also make server tests to check if the servers are working. PC1 to DHCP server for DHCP test, PC1 to DNS server for DNS test, PC13 to web server for web access, PC23 to mail server for email test, and lastly PC23 to file server for file access. All the tests were successful. Our network works well, secure and support both wired and wireless device in all departments. That's all from me. Thank you.